We are trying to find the probability that the member selected is a woman lawyer. Well, let's assume there are 100 members, and you've got 60% of these are women, so that means you would have 60 women. And of those women, 45% are lawyers. So if you take 0.45 times that 60, that gives you a 0, and a 5 times 6 is a 30. So that's going to give you a 27. So 27 of these are women lawyers. But that's not your answer because it wants a probability that the person is selected is a woman lawyer. So probability is, it's like a fraction, and the bottom number is your total number of possibilities, and that's 100. And your numerator answers the question, how many